So hey guys, how's it going? This is Williamson here with WA Films. Welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I post a video in my channel. That's been, have been really busy, guys, with weddings and stuff like that. But hey, that's how it is. I really appreciate every single one of you guys who has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, for following this journey, for following my work. I really appreciate that. So today I'm gonna be breaking down some of the transition that I got for this cafe commercial that I did for my body down in Boston. It was a lot of fun. It was a little hot, and it was during the night, so we were really tired. But we got it. We got the shot. I want to show you guys like how easy can be shooting, getting B-roll shots. If you are someone that just starting out and you want to see what doing B-rolls look like, from behind the scenes, stick around because this video is gonna be for you. So with that being said, let's jump right in and let's get started. So the first shot, very easy. I just wanted to basically simulate like he was actually getting the bread out of the oven, as you guys can see here, and just pushing forward as he get the bread. That's about it. For the next shot, he's just gonna start cutting the vegetable and that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna be tracking and doing pretty much everything that he does with the knife, with the actions, with the movements, with all that kind of stuff. So we started with this shot over here with the camera, and basically I'm just rotating the camera at the same time, and that right there is is one shot. Most of the work, when it comes to B-rolls, is gonna be during the editing, because let's be honest, you can have like a really nice shot, but if you don't know how to use it during the editing, then you can mess up the editing. Straightforward. Again, like I say, I'm doing pretty much the same thing that he does. Guys, this is about actions. When it comes to B-roll shots, you want to have action in your shots. That's what makes the B-rolls looks interesting at the end. This is another thing, guys, that you have to keep in mind when you're shooting B-rolls or when you are shooting any type of video, and you want to have multiple shots, you want to have multiple angles. That's gonna make your video look more interesting. And trust me, when you are in the editing suite, you're gonna be able to play around, with those shots. So that's what I'm doing here. Basically, I'm just getting close-ups. This is a macro lens. Pretty much the whole video was shot handheld, as you guys can see. This is another shot over here with the tomato. For the shots, basically you might want to set the focus first, and then you're gonna go for the action. That's how I got this shot. Same thing, guys. I'm just tracking and just following any movements, anything that he's doing, and that makes the video at the end looks really interesting. At this point, we're just trying to create like a little composition with the basket and with the bread. Same thing here. For he grabs the bread, I set the focus, and then we got the shot. This is another shot. This shot over here, I actually got this shot from Daniel Schiffer. I saw this in one of his videos. I think it was one of the pizza video that he shot. I'm just recreating the same shot. Really like the way he shoots. This is one of the last shots that we got. Again, we kind of create like a little composition as well with everything that we shot that day, and that was gonna be the last shot. And we set the focus, and he grabbed the ball and pulled it in. That's about it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Comment down below, and again, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and that really means a lot to me. Stick around because I'm gonna be releasing another video where I'm gonna be breaking down the editing specifically, and so hey, I will see you guys in the next video.